Hey everyone, happy Thursday. Just got home from work and I just wanted to pop on here quickly just to bring an announcement. Claire Gavin and I are very excited about our upcoming switch from just surviving to thriving, become the CEO of your health and life workshop that we are hosting on March the 26th from 7 to 9 p.m. at Wallace for Wellness. Well, in light of everything that's happening with the coronavirus, and because we've had many people reach out to us, here's what we've decided to do because we are so excited. We've put together a great workshop and there's already some great women who have signed up, so we don't want to disappoint. So here's what we're going to do. There's Carly. Say hi, Carly. Yay. There's my beautiful daughter. So what is happening is we have decided, because of course you know we have an online learning academy that integrates e-learning, which makes us accessible anywhere, anytime in the comfort of your home. We have decided that we are going to take this workshop and convert it to online. Now, without compromising the interactivity, without compromising the engagement, without compromising the fun. In fact, it will enable you to show up. Hey, you want to come in your jammies? Go ahead. If you want to wear a ball gown, you can do it. But here's the thing. Our Better Together as One movement is about creating a non-judgmental community to help pour into you and educate and empower you so you can become the CEO of your health without any judgment. So we will be sending out the details for all of you that have registered. You'll be getting an email with the details. And here's the even better news. We're going to reduce the cost, not because we're delivering less value, because in fact, we're bringing it, but because given the circumstances and because we had a lot of people that couldn't even come to the clinic in Brampton, and now some of the fear about gathering groups together, we are going to do this online. If you don't think you're computer savvy, trust me, this is dead simple. You will be able to see you. You'll be able to see us, we can interact, and we'll be able to ask questions, and it's gonna be a heck of a lot of fun. So if you're interested, now we're not gonna do 2 full hours, we're gonna do an hour and some question and answers. The workshop was gonna be $45. It's going to be an absolute steal. We're gonna reduce it to $25. This is not gonna be typical because the amount of content we've got in this workshop is worth far more than that. More importantly, the value that we're bringing by creating community where you're going to be able to learn and grow from one another with other people is even better. So for all you participants that are already registered, watch out for our email. It's coming. And for those of you that would like to join us, we would love to have you on Thursday, March the 26th at 7 p.m. We are going to be setting out some stuff on social media. So we'll put a link here, as well as the QR code. If you've got the flyer, the QR code will work. It'll go to our Learning Academy. You can register and pay right there. And we can't wait to see all of you on the 26th at 7 p.m. And remember, if you bring a friend, you're going to be entered for a chance to win an amazing Become the CEO of Your Health holistic handbag giveaway. And it's going to be awesome. So thanks. Hope everybody has a great evening, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.